Good morning. So today I am going to Orange Theory, my first time. Kind of nervous because I am so out of shape, but I'm going to get in shape, so that's fine. Hopefully I like it, because then I'll probably be doing it a lot more, because guys, I have to get it together. I need to lose weight. I need to get in shape. Okay, so yeah, I also need to buy a water bottle because somehow when I moved, none of my water bottles came with me, and I think that's weird. Okay, so I'm not wearing anything cute. Very basic. Just trying to be comfortable and get a good workout in. So let's go.
Yeah, about to catch another fight. Apple bottom make them wanna fight. I just wanna have a good night. Just wanna have a good night. Hold up, if you don't know, now you know. If you broke, then you gotta let it go. You could have anybody, any money, go. When you a boss, you could do what you want.
Good morning. So I'm headed to my church to help decorate for Christmas, and I know that it's late in the month, but there's a whole reason behind why we're decorating later. Our church caught on fire. We haven't been in our church for 3 weeks, so because they've been cleaning it. No, it didn't burn down. It was just like a wall. But yeah, now this will be the first Sunday coming up that we're back in the church, and they just want it to have, to be my gel. They just want it to be, Christmassy. But now that I have pulled up, there's only 2 cars, so I feel like this is a setup that I'm gonna be doing everything. Maybe I should just turn around. But anyway, after this, after this, I got a lot of stuff to run, errands to run. I need to go to Sam's. I gotta do a whole lot of woot. But yeah, I'll see you guys inside. I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
At Chick-fil-A, and the line is so freaking long. This is why I wanted to get out earlier, but now it's 1 o'clock and everybody is here. Everybody's at Sam's, everybody's at Walmart, everybody is at Chick-fil-A. So I'm about to be in this line for a little bit because I'm hungry and I had my heart set on Chick-fil-A, so that's what I'm doing. And that's Chick-fil-A. I got my food, y'all. I told him, I was like, I want a #1, and the guy was looking at me like I was crazy. He was like, a #1? I was like, yeah, the regular chicken sandwich combo. Like, I don't know, maybe he was new. But yeah, I always get the regular chicken sandwich combo with Polynesian sauce and a lemonade. Guys, so I am back from decorating, from running errands. I didn't even take you guys into Sam's or anything with me because, guys, it was so packed. I forgot that this is the weekend before Christmas, and I was in Sam's fighting for my life. Okay, like, I'll tell you guys that story after, but I have a lot of stuff that I need to show you guys, like home updates type stuff. One, I got a lamp for my living room, and something always happens to me. One, I cut myself. Two, it's like anytime I do a project, it's like I always am missing something. So let me just show you guys. So I got this lamp, and then I plan on putting like a tree there, like, behind, but then I realized like the lamp, you have to like turn it. It's like a little cheap one, so I'm gonna have to get like light bulbs that are, I don't know, like clap, like Bluetooth light bulbs, because no one has time to be reaching to, that's doing too much. Okay, so I bought this from Home Goods and I tried to hang it up and I don't know, it's just not hanging up because I get sick and tired of walking through the door and having to put my coat all the way in my room. And yes, everything's a mess because I'm like trying to build stuff, but it will be cleaned up. Okay, so I bought the picture from Amazon. I thought it was a canvas, but no. So I had to buy frames for it. And it's crooked, so I have to redo it. I bought these from Sam's Club because I'm about to start meal prepping again. And then I got all this stuff, and yes, it's on my floor. I also got this stuff from Amazon. I'll show you guys this tomorrow, honestly. But yeah, groceries that I have to put up. And then I got some more stuff for like my pantry from Home Goods. I found some really great stuff. But yeah, I gotta clean up. Oh, and I bought a projector, guys. Yeah. Oh, and let me show you my new addition in my my kitchen. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen it. But voila! I put that shelf up because there was like nothing there. I'm gonna put a second one up because I have more seasonings. But look at this from Amazon. Okay, so I bought these 3 things because one, and matches my, okay, don't look at that because I was cooking something. But anyway, it just matches my decor and it was way cheaper than the plastic. So I have to organize that. And then I got baskets and yeah. I just think these were so cute and they were way cheaper. Like, come on. So cute. Okay. Doesn't it look so much better? Organized. This is like brown sugar noodles. Whenever I get flour or something, I will put it in this jar. Then I have potatoes and onions in here. But so far, I like it like this. It's way more organized. Then all of this is trash. Those potatoes have sprouted. So I need to do something with those. That wine is old. And I spilled spaghetti on the floor. Yeah. I literally just got off of work actually exactly an hour ago. My friend called me and said, hey, you want to get some dinner? Which I made dinner last night, which I was going to eat today. But you know what? Fellowship is good. So let me show you my little outfit. This is actually not the hair that I wanted to do. This is my work hair. And then look at it, scraggly. But I don't have time to be changing wigs and stuff. So yeah, so let me show you. Oh, this is what I'm wearing. Casual but cute. The blacks definitely don't match, but whatever. Whew, but I'm sweating because I'm ripping and running. I think we're going to Texas Roadhouse, so I'm gonna see y'all there.
They need to be checking IDs over there.
Who?
The birthday people.
Good morning, everyone. Actually, it's afternoon, but it doesn't matter. So, where have I been? Life has literally been lifing, and where do I start? One, I passed my first semester of my master's program. I was really skeptical about one class. I didn't think I was going to pass it, but I had a little meeting with my professor, and we had a little chat, and I passed. But yeah, so that was that. What else? The other day I locked myself out of my apartment because I had forgot to make spare keys, and I had to literally break in. Like, I had to call my mom. She had to bring a step ladder. Thank God I still had like a window air conditioning in. I had to push that out and jump through the window and break in because I didn't want to bother my landlord and have to pay. So that was that. What else? Oh, right now I'm snowed in. It's not really snowed in, it's more like iced in. It's 1 degrees outside, so I'm just in the house, and it's gonna be 1 degrees for the rest of the weekend. This is Christmas weekend, so I'm gonna just be in the house, and I'm just cleaning right now. And guys, I have a lot of updates to show you, primarily in my kitchen. I'm not really gonna show you my living room until it's clean. I'm like wrapping gifts. I am gonna show you that though. I'm like wrapping gifts and everything, so, and doing art projects, so it's very much so a little messy in here. And then the last time you saw my living room was messy, and I promise you I'm not messy. I just, you know, when you're doing stuff, it gets a little messy. But yeah, okay. I know you guys saw this in another clip, but I just love this. It's so aesthetically pleasing, so I wanted to show you guys again. But I got these. These are reusable bags, and it saves money in the planet, so I'll be using this. Okay, Amazon. But okay. This is the new stuff. So I bought a bunch of drinks and stuff because, you know, I'm snowed in. But anyway, this is called a baker's rack. I literally put it together last night, hence why the screws are there. And guys, this is such good quality. I bought it off of freaking Amazon. I literally love it. That stuff is just there temporarily until I figure out how I'm going to organize it. I just felt like I needed more space, hence because I don't have a lot of, like, I just don't have a lot of countertop space. And yeah, so once I get this together, I can like fully clean and organize my kitchen and it'll be good. I also bought this from Amazon. It's like a, you know, a fruit holding basket, which I felt like I needed because my pantry is not that big. So yeah. And of course I went and got this because I like to save and reuse my plastic bags, and I was tired of them just being in a ball, you know, under the sink or whatever. So I love it to just, you know, take one, put it back in there. So yeah, now I feel like my pantry is, it looks the same, but I've fixed it up a little bit. So this will be permanently how my pantry will be. And then, so this area, I want this to be like my wine area, and it's underdeveloped. I want to get like a wallpaper and stuff and get this together. And then finally, now that I got my baker's rack, I can clear this off and everything can be organized. So that is the update. Stuff is still very much so chaotic in here, but I'm taking my time decorating and organizing. There's not a rush. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today, is decorating, organizing. I still have to wrap gifts and get those together and clean and relax, because once again, it's one degrees, one single digits, and I'm not lying. Check, like, one, like I'm staying in my house. I've been watching movies and stuff. I'm glad that I went grocery shopping and got all my stuff so I don't have to leave. So yeah, I will catch up with y'all a little later. So it's obviously the next day. It's also Christmas Eve, so happy Christmas Eve. I didn't end up wrapping presents last night. I kind of made some dinner, started watching movies, fell asleep. Yeah, no. But people have been telling me that it's safe to go outside. I am warming up my car right now, and that wind chill, baby. It's the wind chill. The wind chill is cold, but they're saying the roads are fine. So I think I'm gonna go outside, go to my parents' house, do some stuff because I'm kind of tired of being cooped up in the house. So I'm gonna make the chance of getting out while the sun is up and the roads are not covered in ice. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm coming back and I'm going to wrap these presents because Christmas is tomorrow and I gotta get it together, okay? Okay, so I'm back home. I'm actually watching lovely TV on my projector, but another thing. So I want to show you guys. I got these canvases. I don't think I showed you guys this. And I know they're gonna go up here on my wall. I got 2, and I know what you're thinking. It's ugly. Yes, but I'm gonna paint over them and do like a little project. I have to put all that stuff up. That's stuff that I got from my parents' house today. Some more stuff. And then my table came in because this table, like I told you guys, is broken and it's falling apart. So I'm just gonna replace it with this table that I bought. And that table, so what I got my baker's rack, it's the same company, so I know it's about to be great quality. The only issue is that baker's rack took me 4 hours to put together. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna take another 4 hours, but I'm not doing that right now. I gotta get my presents together. So yeah, let's do that. And that's gonna be the end of this vlog once I'm done.
Got another shorty, she ain't nothing like me. Yeah, about to catch another fight. Apple bottom, make them wanna fight. I just wanna have a good night. Just wanna have a good night. Hold up, don't own that, no. If you broke, then you gotta let it go. You could have anybody, any money, go. When you a boss, you could do what you want. About to catch another fight. Apple bottom, make them wanna fight. I just wanna have a good night. Just wanna have a good night. Hold up, don't own that, no. If you broke, then you gotta let it go. You could have anybody, any money, go. When you a boss, you could do what you want.
Yeah, cause girls is players too. Yeah, cause girls is players too. Cause girls is players too.
About to catch another fight. Apple bottom, make them wanna fight. I just wanna have a good night. Just wanna have a good night. Hold up, don't own that, no. If you broke, then you gotta let it go. You could have anybody, any money, go. When you a boss, you could do what you want. Got another shorty, she ain't nothing like me. Yeah, about to catch another fight. Apple bottom, make them wanna fight. I just wanna have a good night. Just wanna have a good night. Hold up, don't own that, no. If you broke, then you gotta let it go. You could have anybody, any money, go. When you a boss, you could do what you want. About to catch another fight. Apple bottom, make them wanna fight. I just wanna have a good night. Just wanna have a good night. Hold up, don't own that, no. If you broke, then you gotta let it go. You could have anybody, any money, go. When you a boss, you could do